How to fix something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. Please try again on Steam. So if you're facing this problem, you need to simply open up your settings. Once you open your settings, go for the time and language, which is on the left side, and then choose date and time. Once you choose here on the first, you will have set time zone automatically. So if you have this set time zone automatically turned off, then you need to simply turn that on. So make sure to turn that on. And once you turn that on, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply right click on your Windows, go for the run and search for tent. So search for tent and then click on OK. And here you may have the unwanted files. So if you have any unwanted files, then you need to simply click on the unwanted file and then you need to hit the delete. So you need to delete all of the temporary files right here and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go for the search again and then search for add or remove programs. Go for add or remove programs and here on the search, you need to search for Steam. Once you've searched, go for the right, which has that three dots icon, go for uninstall. And once you uninstall Steam, you need to reinstall it from your Microsoft Store or from your browser, whichever you're comfortable with, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.